Hello everybody. Today we'll be doing unboxing of a very special kind of a product here. And in short, this is a AC to AC converter, or in other words, it's actually a step down transformer. So this product here is essential for people like me who would be using products made for other countries, specifically US, where the standard voltage is 110 volts instead of 220 volts here in India. So I would be using this product to convert the 220 volts of energy coming to my house into 110 volts of energy so that my US based appliances can run. So let me do the unboxing, and this is a brief idea about the package which I received. I ordered this product from Amazon. I'll be putting down the link for purchasing in the description below. But this is how the packaging looked. Kudos to Amazon for packaging this product very nicely. As you can see, I've just done with the outer boxing, and inside is my product box here, which is very nicely cushioned with thermocol. So that's a kind of safety you need with a product like this. So let me take out the main box and then I'll give you the product overview. So this is how the product looks like. It's from a company called Oswal, and the description here is AC to AC converter. So it's going to take 220 volts of input energy and convert it into 110 volts. And on the box we have few specifications. So pure copper is being used here. It's of very durable quality, and it's a unit with low power consumption. On this side we have the product image here. So this is going to be the on off switch. That's the indicator light for power, and this is going to be the output at 110 volts of alternating current, and the input here is 220 to 240 volts of AC, and the output is 110 volts of AC. So as you can see, I can use this product for powering up all my US based appliances like microwave, my juicer, as well as any other electronic equipment. On this side we have some note here that we should just check for the wattage rating of the appliances before connecting it, and to ensure that this device can support them. And they have mentioned that some appliances may operate a little slower when used in India due to operating on the reduced cycles of energy. Now this is all technical, guys, but what in short we are saying here is you might observe some appliances are operating a little bit slower because of the energy difference. And it's ideally used for telephones, calculators, cassettes, the low power consumption devices like cameras, your battery chargers, or your juicer, or such devices. On this side again we have the product imaging, and on this side we have few other information for us like the voltage, operating voltage of 50 hertz, the wattage, it's of 50 watts, 500 watts. So any device which needs a power of this range can be used along with this transformer. I will keep using the word transformer here because that is eventually what we are doing. We are stepping down 220 volts of energy into 110 volts of energy. And I've already cut the outer tape, and along with this there's a user manual. So this is a pretty standard user manual here, not much bulky, and in very short and crisp language they have supplied all the necessary information. Let me put it aside, and if we open this package further, we can see a few points for usages are mentioned here. Few points to be aware of before using this device. Let me try to bring it in the camera view here. And again the way outer package was done very nicely, the same is with the inner package as well. It is very nicely cushioned with thermocol on both sides. So let me just take out these things first, and it's a very good thing that they have supplied with an additional fuse, because this is not only a step down transformer, it is actually a safety device as well. So the moment where this device, due to some fault or due to some fluctuation, it stopped giving 110 volt of output energy, this device will just break the fuse edge. And it's a very heavy device, guys. I mean, it's about I would say 10 kgs in weight. If I'm not wrong, it's around 10 kgs in weight. And the build quality is very good. I mean, this is pure metal construction, and pure copper has been used in all the inner wirings. So let me just carefully take it out, not to damage my glass table also. So ever so gently let me take it out, and I'll have to keep this fuse additional fuse, spare fuse, very safe, because this can be later used for emergency purposes. So what they have done is they have taped the wire to the base of this device. Let me take out the tape here. I have to be a little bit more careful because I'm placing the product on my glass table, so I don't want to damage it accidentally. And I think we have the plug here, and let me take out this additional tape as well. So here we have, guys, where we have the device for us. Let me just place it very nicely. So this is how it is going to get placed, and you can see that this is the plug which is currently plugged inside here. Let me show it like this. So this is where the fuse goes. I think they have already bundled one spare fuse inside it. So this is going to be the plug which gets plugged into the input, and from here we can have the this goes inside the input in my wall socket, and from this point is where I can have my output, and everything is safely controlled with an on-off switch. So we have a indicator bulb here also, which will glow when the power supply is running into this device. So let me connect it to my switchboard there, and then I will show how it looks. So I've connected the appliance to my external switchboard here, and as you can see, the wire here is of very good quality. It's quite thick for the power consumption. And if I switch it on, and here the LED glows, and let me just lift it up. So this is how you can see that this device is now active, and one can plug 110 volt of plug here, and that can start powering up. So let me switch it off once again. So brief idea about this box here. It's very very sturdy. The outer casing is of metal, and the wire is very thick. It's a very good quality, and all pure copper is being used inside this appliance here. On the side we have some vents for heat dissipation, and the base is having few legs here for the grip. And again, nothing much happening on this side here as well. We have air vents for heat dissipation. On the back side I already showed that if you are not connecting this device with the output supply, you can safely just plug the entire thing back again into this part, and this is where the fusage is. So this was all about this step down transformer, and like I said, the most common use of such a device would be to power up your appliances from abroad, especially from US, where you need the output to be 110 volts instead of 220 volts. So let me know, guys, if I'm sure that even if you are purchasing something from abroad, you will need a similar product for running those appliances here. And in case you have any questions regarding this, please let me know. Put them down in the comment, and I will try my best to answer them. That's all for now. Have a great day and take care. Be safe.